What if I told you that one tiny spice sitting in your kitchen could upgrade your digestion, your skin, your energy, and even your overall health? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda, and in today's video, we're diving into a simple but very powerful habit: clove water. This is not just another wellness trend, it's a natural remedy that has been used for generations. If you care about your health, your energy, and feeling your best from the inside out, stay with me. This is for you. Let's break down 10 powerful benefits of clove water that can truly support your lifestyle. Let's begin with this video. Clove water helps stimulate digestive enzymes naturally. This means your body can break down food more efficiently. It may reduce bloating and that heavy feeling after meals. It also supports gut balance in a gentle way. Drinking it warm can feel especially soothing in the morning. It's a simple ritual that supports your digestive system daily. Your stomach will definitely thank you for this amazing habit. Cloves contain antibacterial compounds that fight odor-causing bacteria. This helps keep your breath fresh throughout the day. It works from the inside, not just masking the smell. Clove water has been used traditionally for oral care. It can support a cleaner, healthier mouth environment. Perfect if you want a natural alternative to chemical products. A small habit that makes a big difference in confidence. Cloves are rich in antioxidants that protect your cells. They help your body defend itself against infections. This is especially helpful during seasonal changes. Clove water can be part of your daily immune support routine. It works gently but consistently over time. Your body feels more resilient and balanced. A natural way to care for your health every day. Cloves contain compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. This can help calm internal irritation in the body. It may support relief from minor discomfort or swelling. Great for those looking for natural wellness support. Consistent use can help your body feel more at ease. It's a gentle way to support long-term health. Think of it as daily care for your body's balance. Clove water helps fight bacteria from within. This may reduce breakouts and support clearer skin. It also helps detox your system naturally. Healthy digestion and skin are deeply connected. Antioxidants in cloves help protect your skin cells. Your skin may look more radiant over time. A natural glow starts from inside your body. Clove water can help stimulate blood flow. Better circulation means more oxygen to your cells. This supports energy levels and overall vitality. It may also give your skin a natural healthy glow. Good circulation is key for many body functions. Yeah! This is a simple way to support that process. Small habits like this create long-term benefits. Cloves have been used for oral care for many years. They help reduce bacteria in the mouth naturally. This can support healthier gums and teeth. It may also soothe mild tooth sensitivity. Clove water is gentle but effective. effective over time. A great addition to your natural hygiene routine. Healthy mouth, healthy body. Cloves may support stable blood sugar levels. This is helpful for maintaining steady energy. It can reduce sudden energy crashes during the day. A balanced body feels more stable and calm. Clove water is not a cure, but a supportive habit. It works best with a healthy lifestyle overall. Consistency is key for real results. Cloves are packed with powerful antioxidants. These help protect your body from free radicals. Free radicals can speed up aging processes. Antioxidants support healthier, strong cells. This benefits your skin, organs, and overall wellness. It's like daily protection from within. A small spice with powerful effects. Warm clove water can feel very comforting. It may help your body relax after a long day. The natural compounds support a calming effect, perfect as part of a nighttime routine. It encourages a peaceful, slow moment for yourself. Wellness is also about mental balance. Take this time to reconnect and unwind. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like it so much, and let me know in the comments which tip was your favorite one. Remember to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.